Hello, describing my family. Hello, describing my family. B. Oscar Eduardo Quintero Sánchez. Personal presentation. I am Oscar Eduardo Quintero Sánchez. I am 36 years old. I am from Natagaima, Tolima. I live with my family in Corozal, Sucre. I am military and studying industrial engineering. My hobbies: listen to the music and watching movies. My favorite TV show, Harry Potter, and my favorite sport is soccer. My family. There are 4 people in my family: my wife, my son, my daughter, and me. My wife is Musumeni Barreto Niño. She is 35 years old. My son is Juan Pablo Quintero Barreto. He is 8 years old. My daughter is Ana Valentina Quintero Barreto. She is 50 years old. I am Oscar Eduardo Quintero Sánchez. I am 36 years old. My wife is military. She is from Bogotá, Colombia. My son is an study. He is from Bogotá, Colombia. My daughter is an study. She is from Santiago de Cali. I am military and studying industrial engineering. I am from Natagaima, Tolima. Skill. My wife is short, has strange hair, a white skin, and brown eyes. My son has brown skin, big eyes, and brown color, and is tall and with curly hair. My daughter is very similar to her mom. However, she is big tire. Her hair long and warm, and her eyes are slanted. I am tall. I have dark skin, strange hair, and brown eyes. Thank you.